All right, so if you're somebody that loves smelling amazing, I'm going to show you a gadget, a little tool that each and every one of you needs to have, because this bad boy is, in my opinion, genius, all right? It's called a travalo, all right? It's a little atomizer that is actually refillable, and I just want to show you kind of how it works, all right? So say you're going on a trip, but you don't want to take your big bottle of fragrance in your DOP kit. You grab this bad boy, which I'm going to link to down below. All you do, you remove the top, and then you place that on top, and you simply pump it up. And check it out, right? You just fill up that little reservoir. And then when you're ready, you pop this in your DOP kit, your gym bag, and then boom, boom, you're ready to roll. When it runs out, you just refill it again. And for me, I'm going to rock it with Legend for a while, because Legend is the newest EDP fragrance from Pete and Pedro. This stuff is insane. If you guys are looking to check out a new fragrance, it's inspired by Tom Ford's effing Fabulous, except I personally think ours is better because it's actually not $500 a bottle. It's under $50. Anyway, guys, if you want to grab a Travalo or Legend, I'm going to link to it somewhere down below. This is a must-have for any dude who loves to smell amazing.